back my channel. Today I cook chicken and vegetable pasta. First, marinate chicken. Chicken 1 kg, soy sauce 3 tablespoons, salt, black pepper, coriander powder, chicken tikka masala. Marinate for 1 hour. Ginger, garlic, and all vegetable. Cooking all 3 tablespoons. Marinate chicken. Cook 7 to 8 minutes. All 1 tablespoon. Ginger garlic paste. Cook 1 minute. Add all vegetable. Cook 2 to 3 minutes. Add tomato sauce, 500 grams. Add tomato ketchup, 3 tablespoons. Add 4 tablespoon cream. Cook 5 minutes. Chicken. Pasta sauce ready. Water, salt, all. Add pasta. All delicious pasta. Add some cheese.